In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a MailerLite form in WordPress. We'll start inside MailerLite. First, log into your MailerLite account so you can create the form you want to display on your website. Once you're in, go to Forms, then Embedded Forms, and click Create Form. Give your form a clear name so it's easy to recognize later. Then choose the subscriber group where new signups should be added. This is important because it helps keep your subscribers organized from the moment they join. After that, click Save and Continue. Next, customize the form to match what you need. Add your heading and description so visitors understand what they're signing up for. You can also add or remove fields such as name and email depending on how much information you want to collect. Then adjust the button text and overall design so the form fits your site style. When everything looks good, click Next. Now switch over to WordPress and log into your admin dashboard. To connect your site with MailerLite, you'll need the official plugin. In WordPress, go to Plugins, then Add New, search for MailerLite, and look for official MailerLite signup forms. Click Install Now and then Activate. Once the plugin is active, the next step is connecting WordPress to your MailerLite account. Back in MailerLite, go to Integrations and then MailerLite API. Generate a new token, give it a name you'll recognize, and copy it, then return to WordPress, open MailerLite, go to Settings, and paste that token into the API key field. Click Save this key to complete the connection. After that, you can bring your MailerLite form into WordPress. In your dashboard, go to MailerLite, then Sign Up Forms and click Add New. Choose the option for forms created in MailerLite, then click Create Form. Select the form you made earlier and save it. Now you're ready to place the form on your site. Open the page or post where you want the sign up form to appear. In the editor, click the MailerLite icon, choose your form, and then click Add Shortcode. This inserts the form into your content in the correct spot. Finally, publish or update the page, then visit the live version to make sure the form appears properly. As a last check, test the form by entering a sample name and email address and submitting it. Then go back to MailerLite, open subscribers, and confirm that the new subscriber was added to the correct group. And that's how to embed a MailerLite form in WordPress.